Arduino UNO-based Super Starter Kit version 2 is used for building electronics projects. This kit completely revolutionized DIY electronics, making it possible for students, hobbyists, developers, learners, artists, and teenagers to create a vast array of projects which interact with people and the environment. Various components are included like an ultrasonic sensor, TSOP, IR remote, peer motion sensor, and many more. With these components, you can create endless projects. This kit is perfect for beginners or experts in this field. We provide PDF tutorial, IDE software, and video tutorial. This tutorial focused on introducing Arduino software and code to drive electronics devices, which is helpful for learning about Arduino programming. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics. It includes many activities, which will take you from knowing to utilizing electronics in the real world. This kit includes everything you need to get started with electronics using an Arduino and a lot of things that will take you from a beginner to an enthusiast.